Naghahanap kasi ako ng close-in security. What do you say, Paula? Magpapaka-hard to get ka ba? Or are you gonna accept my offer?
Sige, papayag ako.
Why, thank you, Paula. I feel safer already now that you're with me.
Mayor, natapo na namin si Rocky Boy. Siguradong natuto na yun.
I don't care about that bastard, Jason.
Mayor, mukhang napaligaya ka na mabuti ni Miss Allery, ah.
Let's just say Allery quenched my thirst, Jason. But I'm thirsty for someone else.
Kaya mo, bukas na bukas maghahanap ako ng bagong chicks, yung maganda.
Jason, yung pulis na kukunin for my security detail, make sure na magre-report sila bukas. Especially that Garcia girl. I'm interested in her.
Pasusunod, Mayor. Yeah.